After back-to-back terrorist attack that took place in Jammu and Kashmir, the Indian Army has pledged that they will avenge the death of the bravehearts. As a new encounter is unfolding in Doha, efforts are now underway to attack the terrorist responsible for ambushing an army convoy in Kathua in Jammu and Kashmir. This ambush led to the death of 5 Indian Jawans. The officials from the National Investigative Agency, that is the NIA, have visited the attack site and they have initiated an investigation. In fact, the NIA will now thoroughly investigate all the 4 major terrorist attacks that took place over the past 2 years in Jammu and Kashmir. There has been a startling revelation. The investigative agencies have discovered that the Alpine Quest location application, which is commonly used by hikers, has been a pivotal tool for the terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir. This is a very sophisticated application that has been linked to all the terror attacks that took place in this region over the past 2 years. Now, this has been a serious concern with regards to the implications of this application. The Kathua terror attack has now been condemned across political quarters. Even at the 22nd India-Russia Annual Summit in Moscow, Prime Minister Narendra Modi denounced terrorism. Listen in.
आतंकवाद कितना भयानक होता है, कितना घिनौना होता है, वो हम 40 साल से भुगत रहे हैं। ऐसे में जब मॉस्को में आतंकवादी घटनाएं घटी, दागिस्तान में आकर आतंकवाद की घटनाएं घटी, उसका दर्द कितना गहरा होगा इसकी मैं कल्पना करता हूं और मैं हर प्रकार के आतंकवाद की घोर निंदा करता हूं।
सरकार दावा करती सदन के अंदर, लोकसभा में, राज्यसभा में, ये मामला बहुत बेहतर हो गया है, स्थिति नियंत्रण में है, वहाँ कोई अब गतिविधि नहीं है। लेकिन हमारे नौजवानों को अगर सीमा पार से शहीद लोग कर रहे हैं और उन पर घात लगाकर हमला हो रहा है, जाने जा रही हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं सरकार को जवाब देना पड़ेगा। हम तो उनकी शहादत को नमन करते हैं, जो फौज की वर्दी पहनकर देश की सरहद पर खड़े होकर हमारी सुरक्षा कर रहे हैं, लेकिन सरकार को तो कुछ करना पड़ेगा ना। इस प्रकार गतिविधि बढ़ रही है। आप दावा कर रहे हैं कि हम लोगों ने कश्मीर को बिल्कुल स्थिर कर दिया, हमको अब दिक्कत वाली समस्या प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, और ऐसे आतंकवादी घटनाएं अगर हो रही हैं तो ये बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा है और मुझे लगता है कि इसको हम लोग चाहेंगे सरकार इस पर अपना स्पष्टीकरण दे, जवाब दे और सख्ती से कार्रवाई भी करे।
पिछले 2 महीनों में इस प्रकार की 2-3 घटनाएं हुई हैं जिसमें हमारे कई बहादुर जवान शहीद हुए हैं। हम उनके लिए श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हैं और उनका बलिदान बेकार नहीं जाएगा।
My colleague Sudhir Ji Bhatt is now joining me on the story. Sudhir Ji, one of the major things that everyone is asking is the number of attacks that we have seen, especially over the past few months. Unfortunately, that has increased, and now it is the NIA which is probing each and every attack that took place over the past 2 years. We'll try and reconnect with my colleague Sunil G. Bhatt. The NIA, that is the National Investigative Agency, is probing all the terror attacks that took place in Jammu and Kashmir region over the past 2 years. One of the shocking things that have come to the fore with regards to the initial investigation is the use of an application that is being used by hikers. The dastardly attack by terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir's Kathua has killed 5 Indian bravehearts. The army has now pressed into service helicopters, unmanned aerial vehicles and sniffer dogs to trace the attackers. India has now vowed that it will avenge the attack and defeat the evil forces.
Five army jawans killed in a terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir. The terrorists ambushed their truck in Machedi, a remote area in Kathua district, on Monday, leaving 5 others injured. The soldiers were on patrol when the attack took place. Naib Subedar Anand Singh, Havildar Kamal Singh, Naik Vinod Singh, Rifleman Anuj Negi and Rifleman Adarsh Negi are the bravehearts who lost their lives.
Bullets are lying here. So one can just imagine the situation that must have prevailed here at that point of time when terrorists carried out this attack. Vehicles have to slow down, vehicles have to move slowly on this road because it's a kacha road, and the terrorists specifically chose this place because they felt that they could, inflict maximum casualties on the security forces.
Sources tell India Today the attack was carried out by Pakistani terrorists. Local guides helped the terrorists in doing recce and provided them food and shelter, according to sources. Sources also claim that terrorists used US-made M4 carbine in the attack. The driver was targeted first to stop the army truck from going forward. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has offered condolences to families of victims. National Conference Chief and former CM Farooq Abdullah has slammed Pakistan for promoting terror.
टेररिज्म किसी को मदद नहीं करेगी। अगर वो मुल्क जो इनको भेज रहा है, हमारा पड़ोसी, और ये समझता है कि इससे वो यहाँ की तब्दीली लाएगा, वो नहीं होगा। उनको ये देखना चाहिए पहले ही वो बर्बाद हो गए हैं और लड़ाई दोनों मुल्कों के लिए तबाही ही लाएगा, कुछ और नहीं लाएगा। तो इसको बंद करें, मेहरबानी करके इस टेररिज्म को बंद करें।
The opposition has launched a scathing attack on the Narendra Modi government over the attack.
इस प्रकार के आतंकी घटनाएं लगातार बढ़ रही हैं। सरकार दावा करती सदन के अंदर, लोकसभा में, राज्यसभा में, कि मामला बहुत बेहतर हो गया है, स्थिति नियंत्रण में है, वहाँ कोई अब गतिविधि नहीं है। लेकिन हमारे नौजवानों को अगर सीमा पार से शहीद लोग कर रहे हैं और उन पर घात लगाकर हमला हो रहा है, जाने जा रही हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं सरकार को जवाब देना पड़ेगा।
The Kathua terror attack is the 7th in just 1 month. All of them in Jammu region.
While the entire nation mourns the loss of our brave hearts, our netas continue to indulge in blame game. At a time when our politicians should have united against terror, they are scoring cheap brownie points over each other. This is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Bilawar in Kathua district of Jammu and Kashmir for India Today.
My colleague Sunil Ji Bhatt is joining me on the story. Sunil Ji, the army has pressed into service helicopters, unmanned aerial vehicles, sniffer dogs, all this to trace the attackers.
Aishwarya, the search operation continues to trace the terrorists who carried out that dastardly terror attack, but unfortunately the security forces haven't got any success so far. Already additional troops have been sent to this area, whether, teams from the Indian Army or, teams from Jammu and Kashmir Police's Special Operations Group. They are working in close coordination, but given the terrain of this area, that is why it's taking time, because terrain is a major challenge. This entire stretch is surrounded by mountains, dense forests. So that is why it's taking time, and, our sources are saying us that the terrorists who carried out this dastardly terror attack may have, managed to escape from the spot, but still the security forces are on their job. They are trying their level best to, trace those terrorists and neutralize them as soon as possible.
Thank you, Sunil Ji Bhatt, for giving us all those details. At the moment, the Indian Army is making sure that they avenge the attack and defeat the evil forces.